In this video, I'm going to explain how you can cancel an order on Shein. So first, we need to go to the Me button in the bottom right corner, and then right here we have to locate the order itself. So we need to know the status of the order, whether it's been unpaid, it's processing, or shipped. So if it's unpaid, then it will be very easy to cancel it. Right here from this screen, you will just click on it and then you will see cancel order. If it's processing or shipped, the process is pretty much the same, but basically you have to select the order itself. So for example, like this, we want to click on it, and once we click on it, then right here you will be able to see a button to cancel the order. So you can see the order number, and near the bottom you will be able to cancel the order. So as you can see right here, I have the option only to delete it because I have not completed this purchase. But if you want to cancel it, then that's how you do it. You delete the order or cancel the order from the main page. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.